Sterility Nymphomania Aversion to coition, ovarian neuralgia, cough-threatening abortion, vaginismus. मेडिसिन काली ब्रोमेटम। होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी शैल नो व्हेन टू यूज मेडिसिन काली ब्रोमेटम in sterility, nymphomania, aversion to coition, ovarian neuralgia, cough-threatening abortion, vaginismus. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। मेडिसिन काली ब्रोमेटम। स्टेरिलिटी from excessive sexual indulgence, nymphomania, abolition of all sexual feelings during coition, aversion to coition, menses scanty, subinvolution of uterus, induration of uterus, enlargement of uterus after parturition with abnormal discharges, uterine fibroids, ovarian neuralgia from ungratified sexual desire, nervous unrest, neuralgia of ovaries, pain, swelling, tenderness of left ovary, diminution of sexual desire, epilepsy from ovarian irritation, large tumor smooth and tense in hypogastric and right iliac region, tumor slightly tender when pressed, indistinct fluctuation, urine scanty and frequent cause to pass it, ovarian cystic tumor, abdomen large but not tense, on palpation well-defined elastic tumor yielding distinct fluctuation in left iliac region. Here also movements are felt as in quickening, ovarian enlargement, ovarian cystic tumor after tapping, metrorrhagia from reflex irritation or of nervous origin, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, nymphomania and menstrual epilepsy. Nervous symptoms led to its use. Menorrhagia from ovarian irritation caused by strong sexual desire, flooding especially in young women, erotomania a few days after menses, before menses headache, during menses epileptic spasms, nymphomania, itching, burning and excitement in vulva, pudenda and clitoris. After menses, headache, insomnia and heat in genitals. Epileptic attacks at or near menstrual periods. Scanty menstruation in fleshy women. Change of life restless, must be on the move. Sleepless, trembling, flushings of face and much congestion of blood to head, palpitation of heart, menorrhagia, vaginismus, voluptuous itching, tingling and irritation in external genital organs, pruritus of genitals arising from irritation of uterus or ovaries, or any hyperesthesia of veins of that location, sexual excitement intense, often actual nymphomania. Kali Bromatum removes pathological deposits of fatty matter, whereas the Kali iodide removes normal adipose matter. Nymphomania during puerperal state. Puerperal mania attended by ferocious or erotic delirium, frightful imaginings in pregnant women usually caused by an engorged condition of the brain, frightful imaginings at night labored under the impressions that she has committed or is about to commit some great crime or cruelty, such as the murder of her children or husband. Pregnancy. Morning sickness and vomiting during pregnancy. Constant hiking cough during pregnancy. Irresistible desire to urinate, but no flow except with urging and difficulty. Nervous cough during pregnancy, threatening abortion. The cough dry, hard, and almost incessant. Convulsions during labor, enlarged uterus, amnesic aphasia, anesthesia particularly of gums, pharynx and genitalia. Sleepy, drowses asleep in his chair. If aroused, falls right asleep again. During the day, sleepless, restless, can only calm herself by incessant occupation. Dose: medicine Kali Bromatum 6, 12 and 30 potency, 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as directed by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.